Today, I'll talk about Master Affiliate Profits, also known as MAP, so you can learn how to make bank from home and discover a passive income secret. So, what we're talking about is how you could cash in, and my focus here is helping people create financial freedom. And that can mean a lot of things to people. For me, it's creating not just more money in my life, but also being able to spend time with my family, being able to do things that I want on my own terms, and do things from just about anywhere in the world. So what I'm going to do for you today is provide you with my map review. And I'll discuss the right strategies that you can use to escape the robotic routine and build wealth from just about anywhere. So let's go ahead and talk about how you can score big by building your own business. One of the things I want to talk to you beforehand is about a free gift. And so if you check out the link in my description, you'll be able to access my passive income framework for Master Affiliate Profits. Who am I? My name is Charles Draven from Silicon Valley. I've been building online businesses for well over a decade. And I got started online because I wanted to find a way to promote my financial business that was a traditional business. Unfortunately, it just didn't give me the freedom that I wanted. And around the same time, got a house, got married, had a kid, and then I realized I wanted to have more time, especially to spend with my family. And unfortunately, this type of business was really focused on other people's schedules. So whenever I wanted to meet up with somebody, I had to meet up with them in their office or at home, and it was really focused on their time and not so much of mine. So after trying a whole bunch of businesses online, I realized that many were complex, many didn't make much money, didn't give me that return on investment. And then after trying so many, I realized that there was one that allowed me to use a simple approach, and that's what's worked for me. For well over a decade, I've been using this approach. I've tweaked it over time, and that's what I'm sharing here on this channel through this whole system that I'm sharing on Map Syndicate. And I'm here to help out ordinary people make money online, and this is by using a very special framework. So let's talk about the top points to maximize your online success, especially when it comes to master affiliate profits. So one of the easiest ways to build a business online is by promoting other people's products. And when you promote other people's products, you earn a commission. And then this can be all done through something called affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing streamlines this process. It's been around for decades. And again, you promote other people's products and earn a commission. So that's why these vendors, these shops are giving people money because you're helping them market their products. And so a lot of companies do this, especially one of the largest e-commerce shops. It's like probably the most, one of the oldest ones that has been doing it. But with master affiliate profits, there's actually a very big difference. And the reason why it was designed by digital marketers to create passive income streams. So it has automated systems that aren't typical in an affiliate marketing system or network. And this will help you generate income even while you're asleep, even while you're on vacation, allowing you to enjoy life. And that's what I love about following some special systems. Not all affiliate systems do this. So again, affiliate marketers, digital marketers have come together to create this system. And this is something that is designed to help people earn passive income versus just earning small amounts of nickels and quarters per sale. You can earn, like, let's say 3+ figures. It does have that potential. Email marketing. If you have ever promoted a program, a business opportunity, what happens is that they don't teach you about email marketing, especially the legacy ones. Yeah, some newer ones might, but the ones that have been around for many, many decades, they typically don't teach you about email marketing. And email marketing is something where you can actually build up your own asset online. It's extremely crucial nowadays to build this asset up, and it's one of the few assets while building a business that you can control. And so this allows you to connect with your audience, allows you to build up relationships and boost sales. Leverage social media. It's kind of interesting because with many business opportunities I've seen, the traditional ones, if I wanted to create a social media campaign, they would have to actually approve it through their compliance department. which is very silly to me because as a marketer, you have to learn how to be dynamic, you have to learn how to be innovative, and you have to be learning to do what it takes to make sales. And if you are only authorized to promote certain materials authorized by somebody in the legal department, it could be very tough to promote your product. So the thing is, you can leverage social media freely with MAP. Of course, you want to be legitimate. You want to follow the terms and conditions of MAP as well as the social media platforms. But just doing this will allow you to promote your offers and expand your reach. Kind of went into the legal side a lot. And also join a supportive community. By doing this, you can network with like-minded individuals, share tips, and support each other's growth. Even in the MAP community, it's a private community of people that have paid for MAP. I'm there just to help out people. People have questions. I can provide some assistance and also provide some support. Personalized coaching. This is something that is special. I really like the VIP that is part of MAP. Some other programs that I've been part of, they do have VIP, which is an upgrade, and they do connect you with coaches. But the cool thing with MAP at this point in time is that I'm able to connect with the founders, the actual original creators of this system that have been doing digital marketing for almost 2 decades now. And I've known them for many, many years. But to actually get their assistance and be able to get their attention, ability to connect with them whenever I want, of course, when they're awake and they'll respond. They are there to answer my questions, and that is something that I highly appreciate, something that's part of MAP at this point in time. I don't know if they'll be able to provide this benefit once they scale and have many, many people that have purchased this platinum system. But right now, this is a very awesome benefit. And this is just part of one part of VIP. I also have commission upgrades, meaning that I can earn way more commissions compared to just a typical platinum member. So if you are looking for something where you can maximize your commissions, this is one of the best that I've seen, especially for two-tier commissions. I'm getting roughly 25% on two-tier commissions. So I say roughly because there's always transaction fees according to, like, banks and, other payment systems. Access ongoing training resources. They are continuously updating the platform with training materials. They also have on demand. They also have live meetings that you can be a part of and ask your questions. So there's a lot of training that you can tap into. And so if you're ever in a situation where you're wondering, what should I do? I don't know what I'm doing right now. I watched some videos. What should I do to get started? One of the things that I'm here for is to provide you with assistance. And I do that through MAP's passive income framework that I am personally providing. This is a special bonus. So make sure that you look into this. This is actually a very passive income focused business. The strategies that I am providing, you could find out more just by looking at the link in the description. And then you'll be able to make money around the clock. You'll be able to have that opportunity to make money even though you're on vacation, and much more. So go ahead and check it out. This is something that I'm offering directly from me. And I want to thank you for watching. Remember, you can make bank. You could create financial freedom by implementing these strategies from Master Affiliate Profits. This is something that, of course, it's not a make money scheme. It's not something that you just put money into and do nothing at all. This does require some work, just like any legitimate business out there. So just keep that in mind. This is all my information from Master Affiliate Profits from mapsyndicate.com. Thank you for watching.